First navigate to the file and select open. Select this background image, press open. Now take the text tool, select an impact font with a regular font style and type the text like this. Take the move tool and move this text to the center. Press Ctrl T for transform option, hold Shift and Alt buttons and increase the text size like this. Hit enter. Now right click on this layer and choose rasterize type. Then hit Ctrl J to duplicate the same layer, double click on this text and rename it to shadow. Now go to blend modes and select overlay. Click Ctrl T for transform option, right click and choose flip vertical. Hold Shift and down arrow buttons to move the shadow layer to bottom like this. Now right click on this layer and choose perspective. Hold Shift button and increase the size of the shadow like this. Again right click on this layer, this time choose free transform. Adjust this shadow layer like this. Click enter. Now select the bottom layer, go to the adjustment layer options and choose exposure adjustment layer. Here reduce the exposure to -2. Again go to the adjustment layer options, this time choose the hue or saturation adjustment layer. Here decrease the saturation to -20. Now select the background layer, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, double click on this name and rename it as bright. Move this layer above the main layer, right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Now select the main layer, right click and choose blending options. Here enable bevel and emboss. Now change the settings like this. Then enable the stroke option, change the stroke color to white, increase the stroke size to 10 pixels, change position inside, opacity 100%, then enable inner glow layer style, change these inner glow settings like this. Now enable outer glow layer style, then change these outer glow settings like this. Press OK. Now select the shadow layer, hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, then go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here increase the blur radius to 40 pixels and press OK. Now select the main shadow layer, go to filter again, blur and select Gaussian blur. This time increase the blur radius to 10 pixels. Press OK. Now hold the shift button and select all of these top layers. Press Ctrl G for group. Let's see the final result.